Hey, best friend.
Hey, best friend.
So, best friend, I have a question, right? How long we been best friend?
Probably like about 5 years.
5 years, right. And in the 5 years, there's someone dead for you, don't?
Of course.
Through thick and thin.
Of course.
When you need a shoulder for crying.
Of course.
When they're sick, me take care of you, don't?
Of course.
When the girl from Gaza come for beating because they take them man, who defend you?
You defend me.
Exactly, but here. So what I want to know is, want to know if you ever ask yourself, Marlon dead for me all the time. Me for just dash out some pum pum pan him. No, as a best friend, of course, as a best friend, cause in dead for you, no relationship, no string, does some front pan him. No, cause as a best friend, right? Me ready and willing for dash out the cocky pan you, cause that's what you think you deserve, right? Look, my heart right now, is it man say? So, yeah, as a best friend, of course, cause that's what you deserve. So, you never think about dashing out the front for me?
No, still I'm gonna see it like that, I'm gonna see another way.
Well, you know, apparently I take this best friend thing too serious, you know, cause me ready and willing for dash out the cocky pan you anytime anyway. All I have to do is ask, right? And you never ever once think about dashing out some pum pum pan me. Wow, you know, I'm gonna head out, cause this is foolishness. This one is foolishness.